ignored on the weekly time frame. So currently, let's move down to the 4 hours to see the price action we have. On the 4 hour time frame, you can see that we actually reacted to the down close candle. We came back down. So if price is trying to pull back, then they're going to be looking at this bearish order block to support price lower. So if price should pull back here, that is where we are going to look for more sales confirmation to short EURUSD down to the downside, because currently we are still bearish. We are still bearish on the pair until the XY show us otherwise that is going to go bearish. Then dollar then the euro will now turn bullish. So for now we are still bearish on let's move to GU. On GBPUSD, alright, we had a nice sell-off on GU. Alright, we had a nice sell-off on GU. So what did price show us here? Now you can see that we bounce on this bullish order block, taking out the institutional low, which is a sell-side liquidity here. That was last and old to low. Now on the weekly time frame, so let's go down to the daily time frame and see what we have. Now on the daily time frame, yesterday we had a nice sell-off from this zone. Let me pull this out. We had a nice sell-off from this bearish order block here. So price respected the order block yesterday, and we had a sell here yesterday, took a sell there, and also we now have this bearish order blocks on the daily time frame, also supporting price to the downside. So today, if you go to the 4 hour time frame, that was also my point of interest, and that is exactly where price just reacted to, and we had that sell-off to the downside, which is a bearish order block. So currently, what I'll be looking out for is to hold on and see what price is going to do on the daily time frame, because if it's still going to go bearish, then we need a pullback, and we continue the drop. And if we have to continue the drop, then we have already cleared out the sell side liquidity. So let's watch out and see what the New York session is going to give to us. But if price should go lower, then we anticipate it to fill this imbalance that we have here on the weekly time frame, which we have from here to this point. So if it should continue lower with what the daily time frame is showing us, then definitely we are going to come to this weekly imbalance to fill it up. So that is the analysis for GBPUSD. So currently we are still bearish. We are not yet bullish on any of the US dollar pairs. We are still bearish on them until the dollar index tells us otherwise, before we can change our bias. Now, so let's look at let's also look at AUDUSD. I think that will be our last for now. So let's look at AUDUSD. All right. So now on the AUDUSD, Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
All right. So price reacted to this rejection block here. That is where price is currently at. So now that's on the weekly time frame. Then on the daily time frame, we don't still have a confirmation for a buy yet. Why? Because we still have this up close candle that is supporting price to the downside. So this is also a bearish order block. So we want to see price pull back. We are still bearish on it. Pull back to the order block, and which is what we have here. I think on 4 hours, on the 4-hour time frame, that is where price is currently in. So if we should get a confirmation from here to sell off, then likely going to go lower to take out this low, take out this major low that we have here. I think this is what we have here. So but if price should give us a confirmation of going bullish, that is if the SY decide to start a bearish move, then we need to have the daily candle close above this down close candle before we can continue a buy, or before the trend can change for a bullish move. Then we'll now be looking forward for buys and no more sells. So but for now we are still bearish on AUDUSD. So expect more bearish move maybe during the New Year session, and get ready to or prepare for a confirmation. If you don't have any confirmation for a short, stay out of it and don't trade if you don't have a confirmation. Confirmation is also a key. And also take note, if price fail this level, then expect bullish move to take out the highs and continue up. But currently we are bearish on the US dollar pairs till dollar index tells us that we are going to be bullish before we can now start a bullish move. But for now, we are still bearish. So that's our forecast for this week, and let's wait and see what the dollar index will do for us. So that's all for analysis for this week. So if you have any question, you can drop it on our discussion channel, or you can ask now if you have any. If you don't have for now, maybe you have later, you can drop it on the discussion channel. Your question will be attended to. All right, thank you. So we are going to round off for today. So thanks for showing up. See you later.